Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to run chkdsk dsk command in the right way. Chk and dsk commands is full for the repairing your hard drive and your bed sectors. So how to run it rightly, I am going to show you. For that, you need to go to search bar here and type as cmd. Now you need to right click on it and run as administrator. Click on yes on a prompt. Now you need to type chkdsk space. Now you need to press slash and then F, then space, and then again slash and then R. Now why we are typing here F and R? F will check your disk errors, not bed sectors. Now R will repair your bed sectors and also including the readable information from the hard drive which is corrupted. And now you need to press enter here, and now you can see you will get this message: chkdsk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Now you need to press here Y, and this will take 1 to 2 hours to scan your all the hard drives. I'm not including your C drive and D drive. All the hard drive will be repaired. We are targeting F and R. F for disk errors and R for bed sectors and readable information and corrupted hard drives, and then restart your system. Now if you are not going to use this command, this is the best command you can try, but it may take 1 to 2 hours. So one thing you can do, another command. Right now I'm pressing N, so you can hit one more command here to scan your Windows drive. Now you need to type as chkdsk space and then your drive letter. You can see the drive letter here. You can see the window logo on it. Usually window is installed in C drive, you can see here. Now you need to press here your drive letter, and in my case it is C, and then hit colon, then give a space and slash and then F. Now you can see the F, I have already told you that F is for checking disk error and repairing those. Now you need to press here enter. You can see the same option. Again you need to type here Y and then hit enter and restart your system. It might take 20 to 40 minutes. So you can try this command in a short way. And if you want to check your all hard drives, so you can try this command. So these two commands are the best command known for repairing your disk and any error bed sector including. So hope this video helps you. If then yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.